been really loving this. This is like a Korean breathable blemish balm. It smells really good. It kind of smells like apples. We got sando fruit sandwich. I've always wanted to try this. Face and did my skincare. Now we're just gonna get ready and get dressed. I think we're just gonna go get lunch today, but I thought I would bring you guys. Why not? This is my contacts that I wear. These are so expensive. I paid like 300 for like 3 months, I think. Stuff like this makes you realize how much of a luxury perfect eyesight is, because my eyesight's not even that bad. I'm only like negative 1.5, but it's to the point where I wake up and I'm like so frustrated. It's like not bad enough where it's just blind, but it's also not clear enough where I can walk around freely without glasses or contacts. It's in that medium where it's like, it's so frustrating. So this is how I put my contacts in. Oh, also there's a life hack. I don't know why, but every time I put my contacts in, my eyes would hurt so bad. But then I went to my optometrist and apparently there's like a line, like a tiny little line on my contact, and that is supposed to be lined up from top to bottom. And after I found that out, my eyes have not hurt since. Just let me pull it down and... Okay, don't listen to my instructions. Did it work? Yes. Apparently we had a storm advisory this week, and even my mom was advised to stay at home for work. And then the past few days have been the sunniest days in California. So I thought, see, this eye, I didn't check the orientation of the contacts, and so like it hurts. Also guys, I just upgraded like my bathroom situation. I just got this bamboo tray from Amazon and I just stacked everything on here. Isn't that so cute? I want aesthetic products. I will never take a bath in this. It's just too big of a bath. And I feel like it's such a waste of water. I just can't get myself to it. Maybe it's because I grew up in an Asian household where like baths are expensive, that water. I just feel like it's a waste to do it for like one person, one body. So this is just an aesthetic accessory for when I walk in and I want to feel good about my bathroom. I don't know, baths are like so water intensive and like too much money. For my outfit of the day today, my boyfriend got me this TNA hoodie from Aritzia and I really love it. It's so soft. Put it on for you guys. This hoodie is like $70 and I was really debating on getting it for myself. I just could not justify a $70 hoodie. Like my hands were shaking, but my boyfriend got it for me for Christmas and now I love it. I kind of come to realization that, well, for me, I don't like spending my money like that because I just grew up knowing how like hard it is to, you know, just like have money in general. So $70 hoodie was like insane to me. And I just kind of realized my boyfriend's like starting to teach me that if the quality is good and I'm like really happy with it and I can't find a piece like that anywhere else, then it's worth the money. So I thought this was a really good investment piece. Like you can't really go wrong with this gray hoodie. It's just a simple gray hoodie, $70 gray hoodie, but I love it. It's so cozy. The fleece lining inside is really soft. So I'm kind of scared to wash this, but alright, I think I'm just gonna put a pair of jeans on and this is my outfit, but let's go do our makeup together. Pack of these Aritzia TNA socks. There were 3 for like $25, I believe, and I haven't worn them because I'm too scared to wear them, but I put them on my feet today because these are expensive socks. I feel like a waste wearing these, but today is the day I wear my TNA socks. First impression, they are really nice. It's not as cushy as I'd expected, but they're good. It does look like it rained a lot this morning. I actually woke up because it was so rainy, and yesterday was so sunny, but I guess today is not as sunny. Hopefully it's okay to drive outside. Honestly, my favorite part of my vlogs are the times that we get to do our makeup together because I feel like that's what we're all most interested in. So today I'm using this Thank You Farmer Sun Project Relief Sun Cream. I really like this one for days where I have makeup because it doesn't pill. With really stormy, cloudy days like this, you still want to put on sunscreen because clearly the light is still outside, so that means sun is penetrating through the clouds, so make sure to apply your SPF, besties. I have been breaking out so bad lately. I don't know what's causing it. I don't know. I just finished my period, so it's not that. And I'm like technically in my like ovulation phase, so like I'm supposed to be glowing and shining with clear skin. Something is just making me break out so bad, and this is the worst breakout spot for me. This and my nose, I just feel like it stands stands out so much for me. I've been feeling really insecure about my skin, and it's just crazy how much a little tiny pimple can do so much to your self-esteem. Like, I didn't even want to go outside. I didn't want to go to the gym with my bare face the other day because I just felt so insecure. But then I have to realize like how far I came with my acne journey, and just like nobody really cares if I have like a few pimples on my mouth area. I'm gonna use a Summer Fridays lip balm to just make my lips moisturize. But I just need to remember and remind myself that nobody really cares about whether I have a couple pimples on my face that day. Everyone's too busy doing their own thing. It's a lot harder to do than like I say, but yeah, that's why we're in this together, because it is one heck of a journey with my skin like being like this. I don't want to put on too much makeup, so I'm gonna use this Glow BB cream. I've been really loving this. This is like a Korean breathable blemish balm, and I like the fact that it doesn't make my skin feel heavy. They don't have a really good color range though, but I think they said that they're working on it. Brush, I actually don't know which brush this one is. You guys always ask me. I think it's the blush brush because it's smaller than the foundation brush, but I'm just gonna go ahead and cover a little bit on my skin just to make it a little bit more even. But I don't think I'm gonna be applying too much makeup today because, or I want to make sure that my makeup is I don't know, when I have the camera on, it makes it so hard for me to talk. Like I literally stumble and stutter at every word possible. I think it's because I'm nervous that the camera is on. I want to make sure my skin is able to breathe and not feel so heavy. And just to set that a little bit, I'm gonna use this Makeup Forever powder just on my pimple. This is the only powder foundation that I found to really like, because powder foundations, hold on, would it be better if I turn this lighting on? Whoa. Okay. I think that's a lot better actually. Anyways, like I was saying, this is the only powder foundation that I really like because it doesn't leave like a cakey residue on my skin. And so I'm just gonna, like, a lot of powder foundations are really heavy and they just emphasize my pores and all my dry spots, but this is the only powder foundation that has so much coverage, and I feel like it blurs my skin really well. But I think my mom used this and she didn't like it as much as I did. Oh my gosh, I think the beauty filter's on. Hold on. Is that better? I'm still trying to figure out how, is this still on? There's no way my skin is this clear. Is this still on? I'm still trying to figure out how to use my camera. Like I said, this is just another perfect example of some products work better for others, and maybe some of the products that I recommend you guys don't work for you. And that's okay, because we all have different types of skin. We have different types of needs and wants. So, and you just can't be upset at the person recommending you a product, because our skins are just so different, and we're just different human beings in general. I always tell everyone, you know, we all have different skin types, we all have different skin needs. What may work for me may not work for you, and that's okay. It's all about experimentation. I had to go through so many products and spent so much time and money on products that I thought would help me, but it didn't end up helping me. So it does take a lot of time to kind of establish what you like. Does that make sense? Curl my eyelashes. Cannot find my favorite mascara right now. Where did it go? I don't know where my favorite mascara is at the moment. It's missing, so I'm just gonna use this Rare Beauty mascara that I've had. I'm just gonna apply a little bit of blush and a gloss. I need to show you my latest obsessions. I actually was not a really big fan of the Saie blushes, but lately I've just been using them up. First, when I use them, let's use the shade Cutie today. It's like a more brown beige color. I was just really turned off by the fact that it has a really thin, almost oily finish on my skin, and I didn't like how, especially you could see it in shades like this, it's really sheer. Like, look at that compared to, like, it kind of is a really oily finished blush. So for me, I have really oily skin and I just hate that feeling. But the more that I used it, I realized that the oil kind of melts into my skin, and not as oily as I thought. It just somehow grew on me. And it blends really easily, so I think that's a really important aspect for me. Like, I want to be able to close my eyes and just like blend something out and not have to worry about how difficult it is to blend. That's just the type of products that I prefer, and this product just melts into my skin, and it does really give me a beautiful dewy finish. Do you guys see that? So if you're like super oily and you wear foundation and you don't want it to like rub and slide everywhere, I wouldn't recommend this blush. I just feel like it's a little bit too dewy for people like that, but for me, when I don't wear too much makeup or I just have a little bit of concealer here and there, it's like perfect for those no makeup days. Look how subtle that is. It's not too heavy, and I don't know, it's just really pretty. On top of that, I love my Summer Fridays lip oil. This one's in the shade Rosewood Nights, on the browner side, and I just can't explain how good this formulation is. I know there's so many lip oils on the market. This one is really worth the hype. It's so pretty. I don't know, I just feel like they really nailed this lip oil, because I feel like lip oils right now are like a real hit or miss. Okay, I think that's it for my makeup for today. I think I'm just gonna go get changed and wait for my boyfriend to pick me up, because I don't like driving. I thought we could pick a perfume of the day, and lately I have been obsessed with this one. This is the Fleur Mood Ring. Everyone said it smelled like sour gummy bears. At first I didn't get that scent, but as I've been using it, it kind of just smells like gummy bear laundry detergent, and I love that clean smell, and I really love layering my fragrance, so I thought today I will use this one's a new one. This is the Skylar Sunkissed Dahlia one. I think I got this one sent to me like yesterday. That smells really good. Kind of smells like apples. Really, oh, that smells really good. That's a really good combination, guys. This smells so good. It smells like fresh apples and like fruit, citrusy fruit. Okay, I'm gonna see you later. We're gonna go to like a marketplace and get sushi, I think, because I love market sushi. It's really good right now on a stormy weather like this. Okay, see you guys soon.
That one.
Can we get it right now, or should we? Looks so
I think I'll eat that one.
You want that one? It looks so good. The salmon looks so fresh. They have makeup. This is like the only aisle that I'm interested in, to be honest. I hate grocery shopping. Gary, and this one, and also one box. You're the perfect tripod. We got Sando fruit sandwich. I've always wanted to try this, never gotten it before, and then 2 mochi donuts and green tea, fresh. This one's strawberry and fruity pebble. It's like 2 flavors. Sandwich. Sando taste test. Should I try this one first or mochi donuts first?
This one.
Okay. It smells so good. Last night I was really craving cake. That's why I was like, can we make cupcakes? Look at you salivating. This could be right. Wait, cheers! Oh my gosh! Cheers.
We're fine.
Cheers.
Bread is good.
The strawberries are really good. You demolished that. You're done? We just started. I wish there was more cream.
I wish the cream was a little sweeter.
Sweeter.
Yeah.
Look at this.
And you saved sugar for boba.
Oh, mochi donut.
It's definitely old.
Is it old?
Well, it's been sitting there.
Dude, there's like fuzzies all over this. I don't know if it's from my hands. There's fuzzies. Whatever. I'll just eat it.
We paid for it. It's so good though.
Look at those colors. Strawberry next? Strawberry. Oh no, his food go away. We're losing him.
What I should do with the fish when you get home.
Here you go. That was really good.
Mm-hmm.
You like it? Which one do you like more?
Strawberry one.
No, strawberry one's really good. Guys, he bought me flowers. I thought I wasn't gonna have Valentine's this year. This is so pretty. Look at the giant bow, it's so coquette. If he hasn't asked you to be his Valentine's yet, I'm asking you right now. This is me asking you. All right, on this happy note, we're gonna end it, and hopefully I'll see you next week.